How to fix Minecraft Getsockopt error that is connection timed out. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix your Minecraft connection timeout, it is very simple. We'll start off by flushing the DNS. In order to do so, in the search bar, go ahead and search for CMD, that is command prompt. Now in the command prompt, you can go ahead and type in ipconfig front slash and flush DNS. Then click on enter. It should say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Once you do this, you can head back from here. Next step, what we will do is you will search for Windows Firewall. Then just go ahead and double click on it. Now right here you need to search for anything that is related to Minecraft and make sure that both of it has a tick mark on it or they both are actually active. That is, if you don't have the tick mark, you will have the yes yes or no no next to it. Make sure this both have yes written on it. Now again, just like your Minecraft, make sure your Java TM is also yes in both. Now, once you have rest assured of it, next step is that you can actually change the DNS of your Wi-Fi connection. In order to do so, just check out your Wi-Fi and click on the I button. This can be done by opening your settings as well. So in your Wi-Fi connection, you need to check out the option of DNS server assignment. Then just tap on the edit button and from automatic press on manual. Then make sure to toggle on IPv4. Here you have to set up the preferred DNS as 8.8.8 and for the alternative DNS type in 8.8.4.4 then press on the save button. Once you do so, the issue of a connection timeout will be resolved. So go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.